In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Klaviyo. Whether you're crafting a campaign, refining a template, or perfecting a flow email, testing is an essential step before hitting send. It's crucial to ensure everything looks flawless, that all the elements are functional, and that your recipients will see exactly what you intend. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, let's open the editor in Klaviyo. Depending on what type of email you're working with, this step will slightly vary. If you're honing a campaign email, navigate to your Campaigns tab. Here you'll find a list of your campaigns. Simply choose the one you want to test and click Edit. If you're refining a flow email, head over to the Flows section. Pick the specific flow you're focused on, and then zero in on the exact email you'd like to edit, followed by a click on Edit. On the other hand, if you're tweaking a template that's not yet assigned, venture to the Content section and find your work in progress under Templates. Each of these pathways leads you to the editing interface where you can make necessary adjustments. Once you're in the editor, locate the Preview and Test button. It's typically situated at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button opens up a world of options for you. Here, you can not only preview how the email will appear within Klaviyo, but also opt to send a test email directly to an inbox. This feature is invaluable as it mimics the real-life experience your audience will have. Now, there's an option to select a profile for previewing, which sometimes comes in handy, especially if your email involves dynamic personalization features. By choosing a specific profile, you can see firsthand how those custom fields, like the first name or recent order history, will appear to the recipient. However, keep in mind that this step is optional, but can provide great insights into personalization accuracy. Moving forward, it's time to enter the test email address. You can send this test email to your own inbox, or even to a colleague's if you're seeking additional feedback. Klaviyo allows for multiple email addresses in certain scenarios. Just separate them with commas to target different recipients. Make sure your test group is reliable, as their observations could lead to important revisions. Finally, with everything set up, go ahead and click Send Test. Give it a moment, and then it's time to check your inbox. This is where the precision of your work comes to light. Review the email thoroughly to confirm that all elements are visually appealing, functional, and aligned with your expectations. This step ensures that when the big moment arrives to launch your email, you can do so with confidence, knowing it's polished and ready to communicate your message effectively. So, with these steps, you'll navigate the test email process in Klaviyo seamlessly. Happy testing, and good luck with crafting those perfect emails.